Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email the eBay team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top left corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, in order to contact the support team by email, you will need to click on Help and Support at the top section. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken into the customer support page. From here, you will not have a direct option to contact them by email, but you will be able to talk with the support assistant. Scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us, and now choose whichever category resembles your issue to the closest. After choosing a subcategory as well, you will see the Contact Us as well as the Chat with our automated assistant button. Just click on this option and now you can directly chat with the support assistant in order to contact the support team with your issue. While this is not a direct email to the team, you will still be able to get your message across by using the message box. Make sure you are logged into your account before entering this menu though. From this page, you can simply type in your issue and click on the send button and get the support as soon as possible. And there you have it. That is how you can email the eBay team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.